The Aeromatico composter DIY kit is shipped in a box weighing 25 pounds. The box is 24 inches wide, 24 inches deep, and 12 inches tall. The kit includes the following: a template printed on heavy white paper. The template is used to locate and trace the holes and cutouts of the top of the composter barrel. The bag of white fluffy packing material is perlite. Perlite can be mixed with potting soil and is great for water retention. A brass spigot pre-assembled to a bulkhead connection. A small bag that contains the hardware needed to mount the air tube to the air pump. All of the hardware is stainless steel. A filter that will strain the uncomposted material from the liquid compost. A plastic air tube that directs airflow from the air pump to the bottom of the composter barrel. An oval-shaped funnel that connects the barrel lid to the composter barrel. A composter barrel lid that has been thermoformed out of UV-resistant ABS plastic. A lid that flips open for food waste to be added to the composter. An industrial air pump manufactured by Hako. The pump delivers a continuous supply of air to the composter at a rate of 60 liters per minute.